Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
This is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. This is the inspector summary video. This fire escape is pre-existing non-conforming. We have paint that this looks like it was made before in 1978, so there's probably lead in the paint. There will be no welding. This must be structurally sound and painted. This is a pass-fail video, and this is a pre-load test evaluation. Okay, let's get started. We have approximately a 20-foot platform here. Diamond plate. There are intermediate weep-holes. The posts are 1.5 tube. Same thing for the railing, both the top rail and the intermediate rail. We do have this connection. We can't tell what's going on there.
Fixed.
That's got to be determined in what goes on.
It is fixed.
Okay.
Fix that.
Okay. And then over here we have a wall. The condition of the wall is not in very good shape, and you'll see behind this pipe it's actually starting to collapse, and that is affecting the support on the next floor down. We've got a 2x2 landing here, and then we go down these diamond plate stairs. The diamond plate is what the treads are made of. That goes into a clip. It appears that has been riveted to the clip, and then there are bolts. All the bolts are original hardware and rusting through. There are 1 or 2 that have been replaced, but in general every stair needs new bolts on top and new bolts into the stringer. The stringer is 4 inches by 2 inches. It's a channel, and then we have our group of stairs here. So we're going to start our descent, and you'll see the condition of this wall is not very good. We're going to descend down, and you'll see the treads bend up on the top and bend down on the bottom, and we'll see from the bottom. When I get to the bottom, I'll show you all the different bolts, but this is separating apart between the 2 stringers. You can see that there's a gap forming because the bolts are no longer holding, and we're going to go down here. Okay, and we're on the next platform. Next platform mimics the other platform, and it's the same type of configuration. You can see here as I go up, there's 2 beams that run across. Let me get this one shot of this bad connection here. You can see that it's delaminated to the point that there's no top part of the channel. So that's that needs to be further investigated. And we got 1 bolt. Okay. So we come back down, and then we go down, and then we have 2 posts that connect. Actually 3 posts that connect into the roof, and these posts go 2 floors. They go here, and then they go all the way down to the roof, and then we have, let me just run this up to this connection. Everything's rusted and we need, and so we have this connection here, and we'll continue on. We have this 2x2 platform. Okay, so let me just grab this, just so you have this. Okay, so we'll continue on. And we're going to go down this last set of stairs. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We're going to continue down here. This is the same formation. The treads have been jostled a little bit. This has moved out a little, and this has moved out. I think they might have eliminated a post, but the load still goes through here. And then everything needs painting.
Nothing wrong with that.
And then we have this, and we've got the lamination here underneath. Okay. And then let me just come back out. Let's see what we got here.
Nothing wrong there neither.
Okay. This is completely rusted through. It no longer even barely exists. It's delaminated so much. So that presents a big problem for the support of this platform. And then we have this part here that we go down, and it's thin. We really should have a railing on this.
Railing on
That's
what?
it. On the steps itself, every step.
On the steps, supposed to have a rail?
Yeah.
You don't need no rail for this because it's not a wide step. The step is not wide. It never had a rail before. So why it need a rail?
That's code.
They don't need no rail on this.
Okay.
It never had one in all the years. It had a step here. You just adding on shit on the whole damn thing you doing.
Okay, this
Never
concludes
had
the
a rail on
fire
this. I
escape
ain't seen nobody
engineers.
with no rail on no.
Okay, this continues the video. We also have the lamination of brick. There's brickwork that has to be done on this. That's part of the support. This is fire.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.